அச்சுறுத்தி கொண்டிருக்கும் கோவிட்-19 அதாவது கொரோனா வைரஸ் வந்து மக்கள்கிட்ட வாழ்வாதாரத்தை ரொம்பவே பாதிச்சிருக்கு. இந்த நிலையில கூட மக்கள்கிட்ட தேவை அறிஞ்சு அவங்களுக்காக உதவி செய்ய முன் வந்திருக்கும் ஒன் ஹோப் ஆஸ்திரேலியா நிறுவனத்திற்கு நான் வந்து எனது மனமார்ந்த நன்றியை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். அதோட எனக்கும் ஒரு சந்தர்ப்பம் கிடைத்திருக்கு. நம்மளோட பிரின்சிபல் அதிபர் ஸ்ரீ காளிகாம்பாள் அறநெறி பாடசாலையின் அதிபர் மிஸ்ஸஸ் கோமதி அவர்களோட எனக்கும் ஒரு சந்தர்ப்பம் கிடைத்திருக்கு. இப்படி ஒரு சேவை பெரிய ஒரு சேவையை செய்கிறதுக்கு அதுக்காகவே நான் ரொம்ப மகிழ்ச்சி அடைகிறேன். இந்த சந்தர்ப்பத்தில் வந்து ஒரு 2 வார்த்தை ஆங்கிலத்தில் பேசினா உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். I am Selladurai Linashini and I am a past pupil of Sri Kaligambal Hindu Religious School, Varakapala. The coronavirus attack that has threatened the world today has affected the livelihood of people in Sri Lanka. Thus, there are many people who are affected, those who are living in estates and those who are engaging in daily occupation. These people for them this situation has created a great state of distress because for them this has made to suffer for their daily food. There are many organizations all over the country, those who are helping them. Accordingly, there are many people who are affected in our Kagol district also due to this situation, not only due to COVID-19 but also due to many natural disasters. So far only limited services we got from foreign countries, but for the first time through the Shakti News and Facts and from the different estates from different Pradesh Sabhas in Kagol district, those who are mostly suffering from poverty, over 350 families were selected and they were given relief. Really all these glories of doing a great service goes to the One Hope Australia because I am too engaging in these services with the help of our principal Mrs. Komati. When I had a travel, an unforgettable incident that is we met a person in Digal estate with dysfunctional leg. He said that no one had met them before and no one had found their village before, but he said for the first time we had gone to meet them and we had satisfied their hunger. He was saying this with tears in his eyes. This situation really made every one of us to immerse in deep sadness because they are day by day, every day they are facing many difficulties in their day-to-day life. And actually I am a student who is studying in an English international school, but even though I am studying in an international school, the main reason to engaging the main reason why I got interested in doing social services is because of our principal Mrs. Komati. I got a great opportunity actually to engage in these services. I am having many talents, but even though I am having many talents, the work which gave satisfaction for me is this engaging in these social services during these few days. From this days journey, I got a great experience and I learned how to serve people. I learned the need of poverty education and I learned the pain of hunger and everything I got to learn due to these services. And I think more than thanking you all, I'll say that you all have lifted the upcountry people with confidence and you all have given the hand to reach the top level of courage and happiness. And I think even though we are doing the services, the main help and support is from you. If you all are not there, I think this much I could not have get a chance to do such a great service. And there are many talented students in our religious school, Sri Kaligambal Hindu Religious School, and from them also you all have selected 15 students and you all have given relief for them also. So on behalf of all students of Sri Kaligambal Hindu Religious School, we thank the One Hope sponsorship wholeheartedly and the organizing team, the Upcountry Social Development Forum, and finally our principal Mrs. Komati to doing a great service towards the society. Thank you very much.